Hey fellow airsofters, Stone here from Airsoft 46130, here doing another airsoft video. This video is going to be on my flashlight. My flashlight is an NC Star flashlight. It's really good. I have a pressure pad on it. It's got a button right here. Got to pull out that pressure pad. And look, it's perfectly on for a while. My flashlight runs on Vulcan batteries, the greatest and the best. It's got a really good LED light, pretty bright. Almost blinded myself. It can go on all sets of rails. It's got a tightening bolt right there. Make sure it's on good, because this is an expensive, what is it called? Expensive attachment. $60. I bought it from my nearest airsoft retailer, Ricochet Tactical. Great airsofting place. Shout out to them. Thank you for watching this. Hope you enjoyed, and have a very nice day. Sayonara.